what's going on, guys? Today in this video we are gonna be making every single play button out of Lego. So a while back, like maybe in like November of 2022, I'll go get it. I made the 100 million subscriber play button, and I have put it over here. That is the play button right there. So what I mean by every single play button is I'm gonna make every single one. The 100,000 subscriber, the 1 million subscriber, and the 10 million subscriber, and even the 50 million subscriber play buttons is probably gonna be less because it's so hard. And then I already made the 100 million subscriber play button. Why don't you subscribe too? So yeah, let's build them. Alright guys, we made the 1 million subscriber play button. As you can see, it's right here. Oh god. Hold on. Just need to put this back together. It's pretty fragile. Fragile. I just like to call it fragile. You see? Okay, do you see the picture? Because look, it goes like this, 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 this. God. I don't. Hold on. It goes like this. Do you see like the play button? This, and this. Yeah. So that's the 1 million subscriber play button. Now let's put it next to our 100 million subscriber play button. Yeah, look. 1 million subscriber, 100 million subscriber. So yeah, let's do more now. Alright guys, we have created the diamond play button. Just ignore the thing sticking out because I can't find any other like blocks of dark gray. You don't gotta worry about it too much. But here's the diamond play button, and we're gonna put it next to the other ones. Bum, bum, bum. Yep, those are the 3 play buttons. 1 million, 100 million, and 10 million. So let's do one of the last ones, which is 100,000 subscriber, and then after that we'll do the 50 million subscriber play button, which you all want to see, and then let's do it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you the pain I have to go through without the time lapse, and yeah. Okay, so we're not running out of gray pieces, thankfully. So we just put that right there, make sure it's in the middle of the camera because I want you all to see it. And then you just start placing things on top of it. Like that. And like that. Guys. Oh no! Oh no! I can't find any dark pieces. That's not good. So the thing we do is self-destruct. Actually, just like the last one, I'm going to do 4 layers of it first. So that's the 3rd layer. Now we need 4th layer. What are you doing in my my swamp. We all have layers, donkey. There we go. The fourth layer done. So now I just need to find some dark pieces. Now, hold on. You're thinking, oh, Christian, why? You can just use that. Well, the thing is, it's too long. I need, like, one of those, like, yeah, you know, like, block ones, like Minecraft, you know. All right, guys, I'm going to use this piece. I know it has, like, a hole right there, but I don't care because it's the only one I could find. So, there. One part out of, like, a billion. Hey. Nobody told me I can't use black, right? I'm going to use this black piece. It's pretty much just dark gray, if you think about it. Like, at the end of the day, it's just dark gray. So, let's use a little bit more of those. Alright, I put in one more. This is like stop motion, but instead with videos. I told you, stop motion, but with videos! Alright, I just need a few more grays. Those should be easy to find because there's a lot of those. Ooh, maybe not. I may have spoke too soon. Oh, wait. Hold on. Hold the phone. I may have not spoken too soon. Let's see. Can't believe it. We actually had enough gray pieces for this. I thought we didn't because I used so much gray pieces for this. Or for the last one, which is the diamond play button. Okay, so... Oh, look what I found! Let's just take this off. Bam, look what I found. I just need one more block and then we're done. You see? Look, you like that? Let's see, ladies. Oh, here it is. Hey, look what I got! Bam! The 100,000 subscriber play button is so cute! Alright, let's place this next to the other ones. This one, probably my favorite so far. 100,000, 1 million, 100 million, and 10 million. Bam! Or we could put them in order, and then I'll go 100 million right there, 10 million right there. Well, we still need to build a 50 million. So 50 million goes there. That's the 100 million, 10 million, 1 million, and 100,000. So bam! Let's build the 50 million. Before we do that 50 million subscriber play button, I just want to say for you to like and subscribe so we could hit 50 mil. I'm not even close to it, but sure, I guess. Road to 1K by the end of next year. So yeah, so let's do it. I mean, like build the play button. We're gonna start with this red platform because remember, it's red. Guys, don't click off of this video yet because we still got more. Let's do this. I'm just kidding, it's like long for me, but it's short for you! I'm actually gonna skip ahead a couple blocks. Alright, I just put a little bit more blocks and let's do even more. Alright, a few more blocks put on there and a couple more to go. Alright guys, we have created the 50 million subscriber play button. I can't believe it, but here it is. You like it? You like it? Look at that! Okay, let's put it next to all our play buttons. 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 50 million, and 100 million. 50 million is probably my favorite. All I'm saying, I'm I'm just saying that. There we go. Look at that. All right. That's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like and subscribe and bye. Yeah, like and subscribe and bye, and see you in the next video.